welcome back to my channel. This is Keisha Reese, of course, and I am coming back to you today because we are going to do another Southern Soul Food Sunday dinner. But the thing is, today is Tuesday. It doesn't matter though. Okay, so today we're going to be doing green beans. We're going to do fried chicken wings, and we're going to do that in canola oil. We're going to go ahead and we're going to do the Jiffy cornbread muffin mix, and we're going to do macaroni, specifically this brand here. I may do some sweet potatoes to do those yams, but I'm not sure yet. But you already know we're going to go ahead and we're going to wash this chicken up. So stay tuned and let's get started. Okay, love. So what we're going to do is go ahead and put what we need into the water. I already got some onions and bell peppers in here. I had the season blend mix and I forgot to get an onion. So I've tried it like this before. It's actually pretty good. So we got bacon in there. We got our water. So I'm going to go ahead with my apple cider vinegar. 1 capful. That's good for people with, if you're on blood pressure pills or anything like that, it helps. And with the acidity, okay? Next, we're going to take some salt. And just gonna, red pepper flakes. I need to start just buying a pepper. What y'all think? And putting off in here, but I like my flakes. So then we're gonna take a little oil, that's probably too much, but it ain't gonna hurt. And next we're gonna take a little sugar. I bet y'all like, oh no, that's too much sugar. It's okay. So then we're gonna get a spoon, mix all that goodness up, and let that finish boiling for a second. And then we're gonna go ahead and wash the beans, and I'm going to show you how to wash them, okay? Okay, so I did this with my can opener, okay? So I just pour out the juices on there, open it up, and they're ready to go in the pot, okay? So go ahead and do your other cans, and we're going to add them to the pot. Okay, so go ahead and add your green beans. That's fine. Oh, and I'm mixing this can. Okay. I'm trying to do this with one hand. I got to find my camera stand. You need to make sure your water covers your beans just a little bit. I may have too much water, but that's fine. That is completely fine. Okay. So now at this point, what you want to do is just go ahead and cover it back up. And we're going to turn our eye down to here. And I just cut my oven on for 350 because I'm going to go ahead and prepare my cornbread. And as soon as I put that in the oven, I'm going to start frying my chicken because I'm going to make my macaroni last, okay? Alrighty, so we're going to go ahead and take the Jiffy mix and we're going to pour it in here. I like to kind of get the chunks out a little bit. You don't have to do this. This is completely optional. It's just something I like to do. You can sift it if you want to, but it just makes smoother cornbread. But whatever. Okay. So next what we're going to do is we're going to add a little flour. Oop. Okay. And I'm mixing it. I like to mix all my dries. Okay. And then we're going to take a little sugar. Mix that. Okay, next we're going to do an egg. Okay, and then we have to add some oil. Just a second. Okay, so here's how we're going to incorporate the cornbread. I just poured a little oil in here, okay? And so what you're going to do is let it run around, coat. We're going to put it in the oven. And while we're mixing this with our milk, we're going to put this in there and let it get hot. And when we take it out, we're going to pour it in our mix, okay? So that way when your cornbread comes out, it's going to be hot. It's going to be nice, one good piece. It won't crumble or anything like that. Now, some people like to put a little flour in there, but I don't. That's just me. I already have flour in here. So that is what we're going to do today. So I'm going to pause that, okay? Meanwhile, I did cut my eye down just a little bit, as you can see. Okay, I had it on 4. I cut it down to 3. It's cooking really well. So at this point, I have to find my stand. We're going to add milk. And we're going to stir this up. Okay, and I'm going to do that off camera because, of course, I can't do it holding the camera in my phone. I mean, in my hand. Okay. So here we go. I'll let you know it's hot. And we just left it in there long enough to, while we stirred the cornbread mix up. That. And then you'll just go ahead and put this in the oven, okay? Okay, it's time to season the chicken. We have washed the chicken, we have washed our hands, and the sink has been disinfected, okay? So now we have the oil here, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna turn that oil on, okay? Let that start getting hot while we're seasoning the chicken and getting our flour ready, okay? So we're going to be using garlic powder, some Italian seasoning, some seasoned salt, some paprika, and some regular black pepper. Now you know the rules. Take what you need from it. Just sprinkle a little of everything on there. You guys, my wrist is hurting. I'm right-handed, so I like to do everything with my right hand. And that's the wrist that is hurting. Okay. Garlic powder. Okay. So at this point, what we're going to do is go ahead, flip it over. And we're going to have to wash our hands. Okay, sorry about that. So we're going to, of course, have to wash our hands again. But I just want to make sure everything is flipped. I'm ready to be seasoned. You have to season both sides, okay? That's the general rule. Both sides get seasoned. And I'm going to lightly season the flour. That's that paprika for that beautiful color. Our seasoned salt. Italian seasoning. You know, I always mix my seasonings up. Old school ways to just do you a little salt and pepper, or mainly seasoned salt and black pepper, but I'm a seasoned freak, okay? So voila, we have our seasoned wings. Look at all that good seasoning. Ready for our grease once it gets officially hot. And go ahead and get your flour. Today I am putting my flour in a bag, okay, you guys? I don't know if I did it on my previous videos, but today, girlfriend, honey, that is what we doing, okay? So stay tuned for that. And here we are, flour in a bag, and all those good seasonings, okay? I just sprinkled a little bit. All right, and I'm gonna mix that up. You can't see it, but it's in there, trust me. Okay, so I'm gonna test this grease, see if it's ready, and if so, we're about to, I hear it popping, okay? We're about to get ready, and we're about to fry this chicken, honey. So let's go. It's simple. Take your chicken, drop it in the flour. I do about 4, maybe 5 pieces at a time. So I really need to find my stand. Look at it. Okay, let's drop chicken. Okay, so I'm finna show y'all something. I just put this piece of chicken in here, and as you can see, it's slow cooking, okay? Slow frying. Now, there's somebody that probably has made the same mistake, which is fine. Do not panic. Just let that piece of chicken stay in there. Do not take it out. And we're just gonna wait till the grease warms up just a little bit more, and we can go ahead and we'll drop the other pieces, okay? So if you did that, don't even worry about it, honey. You already know the next time, okay? Okay, so a few minutes has passed. And I mean, seriously, a few minutes, okay? And we're going to go ahead and drop some of our other chicken. And that's why, don't turn the eye up because you don't want your chicken, your grease to get too hot. Hey, husband. Hey, baby girl. How are you? Okay, we're gonna see if we can add one more piece in here. I don't want to overdo it. Now I still got a few more left in my bag, which is fine. Can't see it's covered in flour, but don't put too many in your grease. Okay, put enough and let the thing cook. Okay, now I need to wash my hands. I'm gonna go ahead and peek. Ooh, yeah. So let's wash our hands and check on everything else, okay? Alrighty. That smells good. Just a little bit. Let's see. Cornbread is coming along great. So I'm gonna try to let some of this water leave out. Keep checking on your chicken. And we'll be back. Alright, we're flipping the chicken. Okay, love bugs, it is time to take our chicken out. The green beans are done. Okay, we have our macaroni started. I just took the cornbread out of the oven. Now it's time to take our chicken out. I just flipped it, okay? When I was turning this on, I was flipping, okay? Now I'm about to, it's been, what, 30 seconds on this side? Just to do another run through. But anyways, I'm finna add my other chicken. Cause see, I don't want this to be too dark golden brown, because we have to let this settle once we put it over here, and I don't want it to you know, be fried too hard. I don't like no chicken fried really hard. Okay. Oops. So go ahead, get your other chicken ready, because see that grease, see how it's still going? You need to go ahead and get your chicken ready. That's what I was looking for earlier. But like I said, don't turn the your eye up, because we don't want your grease to burn. Okay? It was still getting hot, and it only took like a few minutes to get hot. So we're gonna go ahead and cook these next few little pieces of chicken, and then we'll be done, okay? And here we are, loves. Our green beans, macaroni and cheese, good fried chicken, and cornbread. Nice glass of Kool-Aid on the side. If you attempt this, let me know. If you use different seasonings, let me know. But until next time, love, I am Keisha Reese, and thank you for visiting my channel. Bye.